It's time for another VO Pep Talk.
VO Pep Talk.
Hey guys, it's DJ. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Let me get a few sweeping generalizations out of the way first. Most voice actors overestimate how good they are. Most voice actors underestimate how competitive everybody else is. And when you put those two together, it's really easy to find yourself in a position where you're not making progress. I want to share a little story with you from 2020, September 2020, when I first got started as a voice actor, until October 2023. I thought I was hot shit. I really thought I was hot shit. I was killing it on every platform except for voices.com, which was kind of like, yeah, but I was killing it on every platform that I was on. I was making six figures between platforms and direct marketing and even like a regional agent that I was working with. I really thought I was hot shit. And one of the reasons why I thought I was hot shit was because I had the wrong idea about how good I was. Because I was doing so well on platforms like Fiverr and Voices123 and Upwork, I thought I didn't need any training. I had no training, save for some stuff from Bill DeWeese during my first year. Which I don't really consider training. And then I also did a couple of sessions with some other coaches that I just didn't vibe with. But if I'm being completely transparent with you guys, I didn't take any of that coaching seriously because I relied on my instincts. And because during those years, 2020 to 2022, anybody with a pulse could make good money on Fiverr. That was the case. So I thought it was better than it was. In October 2023, as you can see on the calendar here, I was fortunate enough to secure a meeting with Atlas Talent. I, again, thought I was hot shit. I failed to do my homework. They decided to hip pocket me. Hip pocket is when an agent or manager kind of doesn't put you on the roster. They just kind of keep you to the side and throw you some auditions just to see if you're a fit for the roster, right? And so I was fortunate enough to be hip pocketed with Atlas Talent from October to January, October 23, January 2024. I want you to take a look at something though. In October 2023, this yellow here is coaching. All right, I color code my calendar. I'm not type A, but I found this is the best way for me to keep track of everything. If you look before, if I go back, do you see any coaching? Do you see any coaching? I don't see any coaching. I can go all the way back. You know, there's no coaching. I thought I was such a great voice actor, I didn't need coaching. After I got hip pocketed with Atlas Talent, I started receiving these auditions. And I said, oh shit. I'd have no idea what to do with these things because, again, I'm so used to Voice123 auditions, which if you've been on Voice123, you know they're not the most difficult auditions. And again, on Fiverr and Upwork, I don't have to really audition the jobs, just I wake up to jobs. You know what I'm saying? This was my first time auditioning for national TV commercials. And let me tell you, I was completely in over my head. And I realized just how good I was not. And so immediately, starting from November, I started booking coaching sessions and workshops as much as I could. Let me tell you, December 2023, January 2024, I coached my behind off and I improved. I really did improve. I would say that just those 3 months, I improved so much. Unfortunately, Atlas Talent decided not to sign me. And because they didn't sign me and my ego was so bruised, and I realized after seeing these auditions that came from these huge casting houses like Sound and Fury, Terry Berlin, Voicecaster, all of these huge auditions were thousands of dollars, and I couldn't book any of them. I was like, no, this can't happen. And so you can see, January 2024, every single month, I have coached or been to a workshop at least as much as I can, right? Every single month. Even now, going to 2025, take a look. Every single month. I'm not making this up, guys. I can give you a reference list of people who have seen me in workshops or coaching sessions. And here we are in September, and I'm already scheduled for 9.9 hours of work between workshops and coaching. What I want you guys to walk away with this video with is that where I am didn't just happen by accident. It didn't happen by accident. The Fiverr success, Voice123 success, sure, I'll give you that. It just was, I was right place, right time. But as it relates to being one of the top voice actors, ACM Talent didn't sign me until January of this year. Look at all the coaching. Look at all the coaching from 2024 that I put in even after Atlas said no. I still wanted to get ACM. How can I get with ACM? I gotta step my fucking game up, dude. I literally went through all of the demos, on ACM's roster, every single demo, and listened to them and realized these people are fucking good. They are good. Now, I'm not saying your goal should be to get signed with ACM or to get signed with Atlas or DPN or whatever. I'm not going to tell you what your goal should be, but I want to suggest a handful of things to you. First, you need to write down, what do you want from your voiceover career? Where do you see yourself, or who do you look up to? And I'm not saying look up, like who do you look up to so you can emulate their career and do what they do and try to take their spot. Find out how they got to where they are, and then reverse engineer a path that works for you so that you can bring yourself to whatever genre that you're talking about here, right? Second, after you make your roadmap, hold yourself accountable. You need some way to keep yourself accountable. If you can't do it yourself, find an accountability group to help you stay motivated. I'm working on something that can kind of help you guys with that, but in the meantime, you got to figure it out for yourself. Third, you got to train, guys. You got to coach. And I'm not saying it has to be me. I'm not saying it has to be any particular coach or any particular program, but the feeling that I felt to get that really once in a lifetime opportunity to sign with my dream agency in Atlas Talent, just gone because my dumbass didn't take the coaching side seriously. It still, I don't say it hurts, it still makes me feel like, I'm in a better place now. I'm signed with another top LA agency in Vox Talent, and I'm with ACM Talent, like I said before. But I shouldn't have had to go through all of that. You know what I mean? Like, I had the prime opportunity right there. Would they have signed me if I had a coach? I don't know, but it definitely would have made my prospects a lot better. I always recommend whatever genre you want to work in, you need to find workshops. Guys, go in my description on any video you click on. There are websites that'll take you to places that have workshops monthly. And, I don't know what y'all's budget is, but there's always things like Gravy for the Brain, or GVA webinars. Those are pre-recorded things. Now, it's not the same thing as a coach, but it's training. And the last thing is you have to be versatile. One of the main reasons why I think Atlas Talent decided not to sign me, and actually it's not a reason why I think, they actually told me straight up, I wasn't versatile enough. I was literally just commercial. Atlas and all these other LA and New York agencies, they cover commercial, promo, there's trailer, there's video games, there's animation, there's audiobooks, there's corporate narration, then all the plethora of non-broadcast, there's live announce, there's, dude, the list goes on. But you come to them just doing commercial? Yes, that should be your primary, but come on. You gotta be a versatile actor, which means you have to coach. I hope this was the kick in the ass you needed to make a decision today to do something that is going to make you a better voice actor, a more competitive voice actor, somebody who can submit a better audition, somebody who's in touch with who they are and understands their point of view in this world and can deliver a solid read. I have videos on my channel that can help you do that. They're free. You don't have to pay any money for that. Check them out. Got them linked in the description below. Get down to it, man. Make this shit happen. I'll see you guys in the next video.